As I had projected for US economy, the economy of US has shown the sign of improvement, and we will see that factory orders are increasing, it is getting stable, employment is increasing. I can see very clearly that Dow will be at the level of 15,000 by December 31, 2012 and 17,000 by the year end 2013. This being an election year, a lot of activity is going to happen. People are going to spend a lot of money and stock market will keep on the rise. Interest rate have gone down and Fed chairman has very clearly stated that he is not going to increase them till year 2015. That being said, it is a clear indication that they want to see economy moving forward, and action that has been taken by the American economic managers have really helped them from the year 2008 onward to stabilize and get out of the recession. On the other hand, I would say that Eurozone is now crippled with all kind of issues that they have with the 16 nations who form the Euro, and it will take them at least 2 years to get out of this mess which has been created by their economic manager by not taking appropriate actions which were required to be done simultaneously when the Americans were doing it back in the year 2008. We see that Euro is still struggling at 1.32 to a dollar, but that is fundamentally and predominantly because China is supporting them, and China has started buying Euro as part of their reserve, as a part of the strategy, because China is the biggest exporter to Europe and it doesn't want to see Euro going down. As expected, we see that Euro will remain intact, though Greece will default, and maybe we see Portuguese also going down under, and Irish as well. That being said, we will see that Euro will remain intact as a common currency for the Eurozone. Maybe it will shrink, the zone may shrink, but Euro will continue to be there. And the downside that I see is not more than 1.25 level, but for a short term it can touch to 1.40 to a dollar. On the other hand, the Japanese economy, the Chinese economy and the Australian, as I see them, we will see that Japanese yen moving forward to 85 level in the next 3 months, which will give rise to all the crosses which deals with Japanese yen, like British pound, Euro, Japanese yen, Aussie and US dollar. Australian economy is largely dependent on the commodities and buying by the Chinese, and that will be during the year up and down. I don't see that it will remain as stable as Canadian economy is, because it is more related to the US, because export of Canada to the US is more and follow the policies and all that what happened in the US. And US being a stable economy, Canadian economy fundamentals are also great. New Zealand, on the other hand, will also see how Australian are doing. The Japanese economy will also see some growth after a long spell of recession, and Chinese will cool down over the period of 2012, end of 2012 and 13. The growth that we see in double digit will not be there. It may be in the range of 6 to 7%, 7.5%. The gold, on the other hand, will continue to be at the level of 2000 as we see it. It will touch 2000 before going down and coming back to stabilize at 1500 level. Silver may touch $40 but will come back to about $25. What to invest at this point in time? I would recommend Halliburton, buy at 35, 36 level and exit at 39. Bank of America shares is going to be very stable. It will not see downside below 7, and in the next 2 years it will touch about 15. Similarly, Baker Hughes is a very good company. So all oil related, it's very safe investment, and at current level you can go and buy this and keep them and keep on rolling whenever you make couple of bucks upward, take your profit and re-enter the market, because this kind of swing will keep on looking in the next 2 quarters. So I will update you in the next 2 weeks on this subject. Thank you.